Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Leo Dimanjaya. NIM 24650108. Chapter 1. The start of the journey. Have you ever wondered what separates fluent speakers from those who struggle? Is their grammar, their vocabulary, or maybe their accent? This thing matter of course, but the real secret lies in one word: confidence. Confidence transforms the way you speak. It helps you express your ideas. Even if your grammar is perfect or you forget a word, but how do you build confidence, especially when you do starting out is answer is sample. Practice does make perfect. It make speaking natural. Let's dive into the techniques that will change how you approach English speaking forever. Chapter 2. Building confidence. Let's start with the foundation. Confidence. Many learners think they need to be perfect before they can speak, but that's not true. Confidence does come for perfect. It comes from practice and from allowing yourself to make mistakes. Think about this when a kid learns to speak. Do they wait until they know every word? Number they just three. The same is true for you. Start smile. Say sample. Sentence like how are you or what's your name. Repeat these phrases until they feel natural. Each time you speak, you're taking a step forward. And remember, mistakes aren't failures, they're opportunities to learn. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So start today. Say one sentence in English, 10. Say another. Over time your confidence will grow and speaking will be easier. Chapter 3. The power of listening. Before you can speak, will that you need to listen. Listening is the key to understanding how the language works. When you listen to native speakers, you hear how they form sentence. You notice their tone, their rhythm, and their pronunciations. But don't just listen passively. Practice active listening. This means paying attention to every word. For example, if you're watching a movie or a video in English, pause it after a sentence. Repeat what you hear. Try to copy the speaker tone and their pronunciations. It's okay if it feels strong at first. With time, your brain will start to recognize patterns. You naturally pick up new words, phrases, and sentence structures. So listen after listen carefully and remember, every time you listen, you're preparing yourself to speak better. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. Repetition and perfect. Repetition is one of the most powerful tools is for learning. When you repeat a word or a sentence your brain gets used to it, it becomes easier to remember and easier to say think about how you learn it. Your native language, you hear this some word again and again. That's how they become part of you. You can use the same method for English, start with simple phrases like how are you today? Can you help me? I would like some water. Please say this sentence again and again. You can even write they down and practice reading them out loud another great way to practice is by using shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say was quick as you can. This helps your brain and mouth work together just like a fluent speaker. Remember, the more you repeat, the more natural speaking becomes. Practice every day, even for a few minutes soon. The words will flow without you even thinking about them. Chapter 5. Making practice fun. Learning a language does have to be boring. In fact, making practice fun is one of the best ways to stay motivated. Think about the activities you enjoy. How you turn them into language practice. For example, 3 role-playing images. You're ordering food in a restaurant. Pretend you're a store buying something or act out a conversation you make have with a friend. Role playing helps you practice real life situation. It boosts your confidence and you get to have fun while doing it. You can also try speaking games. There are so many games that help with language learning. Some can be found online or you can make your own. For instance, you can play a word association game where you say a word and the quiz respond with the first word that comes to mean. Making it fun keeps you engaged, and the more fun you have, the faster you learn. So find ways to make your practice enjoyable, and you'll see your progress grow faster. Chapter 6. Real life practice. The best way to improve your speaking skills is through real life practice. It's one thing to practice by yourself, but the magic happens when you speak with others. Finding someone to practice what is incredibly valuable. You can find a speaking partner online or in person. Look for a friend, a teacher, or even a language exchange partner. Speaking with other helps you get used to real conversation. You start to understand how people actually speak, not just the textbook version. When you practice with a partner, your experts do different accents, speaking speed, and slang. This experience that you how to respond in different situations and help you build your confidence. Even in you make mistakes, don't worry. The more you speak, the more you'll improve. In fact, common for lens to feel their phones are first, but as you keep practicing, you'll feel more comfortable and speaking will become second nature. Remember, practice makes progress. Every conversation is a step forward. So may want to talk to and take your speaking skills to the next level. Chapter 7. The importance of consistency to improve your English speaking. Consistency is key. You don't need to practice for hours every day, even 10 or 15 minutes. They can make a huge difference if you do it regularly. The most important thing is to make English a part of your daily life. In moments throughout the day to practice, you can practice while you're making breakfast, while you walking, or even before bed. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it will feel. Start small, focus on speaking just on sentence a day and build up for the reboot. Remember, consistency is about making it habit. If you make language practice part of your routine, it will become easier and you see progress. And don't forget, be patient with yourself. Language learning is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your small victories because every step forward counts. With time, dedication, and a little bit of fun, you see your confidence grow and your speaking skills will improve.